Baby bird time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1956 Ford Thunderbird. Golden glow yellow, M code, so still appearing as it would have when it was produced back in 1956. Interior color of black and white, which is XA on the data tag. Underneath the hood, 292 according to the casting on the side of the engine. If you went to decode the VIN, you're going to see a P, so it may have came with a 312. I'm going to go with the previous owner of this car, stating it had a 292 in it, and looking at the EDK casting on the side of the block, leading me to believe it's 292. As you can see, chrome grille bright work up front here. Very presentable, nice shape. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this car, you're going to be able to see it pictured up with the soft top, the hard top, top down. Go ahead and check out those still pictures. You'll see the underside engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too if you have any questions. 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's riding on the wide white radial tires. Nice looking white walls on there, wheel covers. Take a look up and down the side of this car, also nice and straight. It was restored approximately 20 years ago, has had a freshen up repaint in the last 11 years approximately. It also has three tops, I guess, if you will. You have the hard top, you have the soft vinyl black top, and then you have the cockpit cover, I guess, if you want to call that a top. So you have three tops. Manual transmission, 3-speed, and as you can see, it interior remaining very stock looking, also with the exception of a little aftermarket AM/FM cassette radio and a water temp gauge underneath the dash. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Continental kit on the back. Of course, that will fold away from the trunk lid so it can be open. There's a lever on the right side of it that will allow you to do that. As you can see, here's the hard top that will go with it. So it's got the white top, of course, the iconic portal, and some other miscellaneous. There's a seat belt, could be installed in the passenger side, some miscellaneous parts, and there's a sediment bowl, water pumps, some plug wires, gaskets, also a show board that will go along with it, model, some miscellaneous parts that will be included in this. Now you can check out the still pictures once again, see the underside of the car, the trunk, the engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And I will put that hard top on the car so you can see it. I'm going to have it in the pictures, as well as that soft top. And then again, there is the cockpit cover. If it started to drizzle or at a show or what have you, you could put that on to keep dust out, rain out. Take a look up and down the driver's side, also very nice and straight. Paint on this car shows very, very well. Sorry about the noise in the background. Got a little construction going on in the front of the building today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior carpeting. As you can see, nice shape. Door panels. Did a nice job in the restoration, and it is still looking very nice. No rips, tears, holes in the seat. Let's go ahead and start it up. We'll check out the engine bay so you can literally see and hear it run. Starts easily, and as you can see, tack is in working order. I did not have the radio, didn't get any sound. I did get it powered up, as you can see by the light here, but I have not had sound come out of that. Let's make sure we're in neutral. Dome light in working order. Take a look at the dash again. Very stock looking interior with the exception of the temp gauge and then of course the radio. We're going to pop the hood and check out that engine bay. Nice and tidy underneath here. Again, I'm going to go with 292. V8. Smooth runner. Sounds good. Sometimes what you don't hear is the best thing. nothing out of the ordinary underneath the hood as far as sound or looks. Looking good. Be able to show this car, have the hood up on it if you wish. Any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Smooth runner. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, and I'm going to put up the soft top, then we'll put that hard top on. I want you guys to get a good look of it with each of the tops. Folded the soft top out and up here. All right, first of all, let's take a look. Nice fit along the windshield. Latched easily, folded out easy. And in nice shape, as you can tell. Just some slight, just a little discoloring in that rear plastic, but as you can see, doesn't hamper seeing through it, anything like that. This is nice fit and nice shape. Slip around to the passenger side here. Again, nice fit down at the surface of the car. No rips, tears, holes. You can tell the vinyl's newer on this one. Probably hasn't been up a whole lot. Let's face it, if you're driving this car, you're going to have that top down, enjoying the sun and the nice weather. All you have to do is put it up. You got a little sprinkle. It's going to serve the purpose for keeping you dry, no doubt about that. All right, that one's done, and let's take a look with the hard top on there and also that cockpit cover also. So give me a second, we'll finish those up. Now here's the cockpit cover, so you can fold the soft top down, pull this up and over out of it, so it'll cover everything up. Now the thing is, this does appear that it could be original. You'd probably have to get it out in the sun. I have it folded up so you get the gist of it. I think you'd have to get it out in the sun and get it warmed up so it'd get a little more pliable, and you may be able to get this to snap all the way. But it is all here and intact. But like I said, it looks like it's original. I got it snapped in a couple places just to hold it up so you could get an idea that it is in the car anyway. So there is that one, and then one last one is we're gonna get some help, lift that hard top on, and we'll check it out with that on.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the hard top on it. Of course, the iconic porthole on the hard top. And again, paint, nice shape, fits nicely. See by the seam in the front of it, sits on there just as it should. Really not anything for nicks, dings, or scratches on it. So you have all three combinations: top down, soft top up, hard top on. Take your pick. Good combination to have. And again, see how nice it fits in the front. Looks good. Looking for a baby bird. 1956 Ford Thunderbird. The iconic yellow white top. Looks great with those wide whites. Continental package. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.